Okay, so welcome guys. So today we're gonna decode some hashes or cracking hashes, I guess. So I got a question for you guys. So how do you feel about long videos or short videos? Let me let me get notified in the comments section down below because I don't know. Should I try to do them longer, or should I try to do them very short and quick? Not explain anything, but just to know the module or the full idea of the video. So go ahead and feel free to pause the video and give me a comment on that, and I'll do my best to make your wish come true. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so we uh, we import the same hash library that we did. Yep. So now we're gonna call hashed because it's already a hash. So please enter your hash. By the way, this is all right in the field of Python because it's a single quote between two quotes, so it's all right. So now moving on. So before the input, let's get dictionary. Now the dictionary is gonna be just like a list and has some friendly words in there. Okay, so first let's see, goes G1 and G1 and hello. Oh no, hello. Okay, now hello with a space. Now this one is like G1 sub. Okay, now now we're gonna create a for loop. So for hash, no, w hash for word of hash. Okay, what in the dictionary? Wow, what I'm typing, man. In dictionary, yes. Now use the hash. Of course it's gonna be okay. So this one is first hash. No. Let's see the word of hash. Word hash. Okay, and this one is like come on, let's call it q hash. Okay, now what you're gonna do in here, we're gonna call the hash library. So basically we're gonna create a hash for each word in the list. That's all. So hash library dot md5, the same mechanism, so we don't forget. Now word hash dot, don't forget guys, it's encode. We already seen that in the previous video. So now dot, before we do the dot, let's between, okay, so between two parentheses and dot hex digest. Okay, let's do some logic. If a hashed is equal, is equal to q hash, now print I guess let's print hash recovered. So let's do the hashed, I guess. Okay, one quote. Let's this one hashed. Oh no, but yet let's do the word. Yep, word hash. Wow, I made a mistake in here. So word hash. Now after it, it's like q hash right now. Okay, that's good. So now after we do that, let's just break, right? Now let's try the words in here. Let me copy them, let me paste them up here. Okay, let's try please enter your hash. And what did I tell you about the new line, guys? It's awesome to do a new line so they can know where to type. Okay, so the new line, we're gonna try goes to G1. The hash for goes to G1. Oh yeah, of course, hash recovered, it's goes to G1. The word is goes to G1, and the the hash is obviously the same. Okay, so let's try this one. It's gonna be G1 because we already have it in the dictionary. If you have a new word, please insert it in the dictionary. So G1 sub, we don't have any word with that, so let's try the hello with a space. And yeah, it's a hello with a space, guys. Now let's hash what? Oh yeah, G1 sub. Okay, G1 sub, the hash is this one. Copy it, let's go in here, let's try it. Boom, this one, watch it, hash recovered is G1 sub. So this is how pretty easy it is to crack a hash with a word dictionary or word list. But I guess there's some websites to crack MD5 hashes. You just paste them and do some crack or something, or submit, I guess, or something. Within seconds, you get the hash or the word. So that's how easy it is. So I guess I have completed this tutorial with a hashing and cracking some hashes or decoding hashes. And see you in the next videos. And please go ahead, if you like the video, please click the like button. If you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and feel free to subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell to get notified each time I upload any videos. And see you in the upcoming videos.